Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I love to decorate with live plants all over my home, but sometimes it's not possible or practical to have a live plant. The next best thing is this artificial fiddle leaf fig tree from JNT. I absolutely love it. So this is a 4-foot tall fiddle leaf fig, and I was looking for something specifically for this office space in my basement that gets zero light whatsoever, so I could not have a real live plant. This definitely did the trick in giving that nice pop of green. It looks super realistic and just adds that little touch of natural looking beauty that I was going for. I have this in my basement, but you could seriously put this in any part of your home. I tried it out all over my house and I loved it everywhere that I put it. It just adds that nice interest, that texture, and that natural green that's really eye-catching. This plant shipped really well and it had no damage when it arrived. And you're able to bend down the branches to create the shape that you're looking for, so it's also customizable. It comes in a pot that is weighted, so it's not going to easily tip over and cause any safety hazards. And you can also place that into another planter for even more of a stylized look. I was super impressed that the leaves on this are so realistic compared to my real fiddle leaf fig tree. The texture on these leaves is spot on. So if you're not looking closely, you're gonna think this is definitely a real tree. I am super happy with this artificial tree from JNT. It is absolutely perfect, exactly what I was looking for, and I think it will go amazing in any space you place it in. And that's my point of view.